West Virginia is a perfect location. It has the Marcellus, it has the Utica with the shale gas, it has a manufacturing base, and within a 500-mile radius is roughly half the consuming population of North America.
The Marcellus is a vast resource, and it promises to be the largest natural gas field that's been found in North America, and one of the large, maybe super giants of the world.
This is the second largest gas reserve in the world. This is a global play. Europe is already looking to be supplied. Canada, the Gulf Coast.
From 2012 to 2020, the chemical industry has already said they will be investing $120 billion in new plants and facilities, over 100 different projects, with 60% of the investment coming from foreign companies.
We see many multinationals moving back with petrochem, fertilizer plants, methanol plants, and steel that are all in some way using either the natural gas liquids or the methane gas as a fuel source. And its impact to the United States economically is immense.
It's a renaissance of a lot of the industries that were the founding industries when West Virginia became a state. And because we were running or depleting our natural resources, they went in other places in the world. I think you'll see all of those industries and more come back.
This is an extremely exciting time for the U.S. We're at the point where the polyethylene is an example part, that ballpoint pen or so, whatever, we can make it for half the cost they can make it in China. And that's huge. When you think about that, that means the jobs are going to be coming back to the U.S. because we have these advantages in the U.S.
I frankly think that our transportation industry will change in the next 20 years, have a lot more usage of natural gas as a transportation fuel. That's towboats, tow motors, that's railroads.
Years from now, there could be many thousands of jobs that can work in the plastics industry and manufacturing.
It's almost mind-boggling. You develop cities out of these things. And so that's before we even start talking about the tax base, the number of support jobs to support these kind of facilities.
We think that there are plenty of resources available to satisfy the demand from ethylene crackers that we see coming for at least the next 10 to 20 years.
Well, I think as we start building out the ethane cracker, associated polyethylene plants, and then start attracting in downstream filament sheet, injection molding, and other types of plastic processing plants, the annual economic impact in terms of jobs could be easily between 5,000 and 10,000 jobs.
I think this is just the beginning, and so certainly the construction of the cracker, the jobs there's several thousand jobs that can be created over a multi-year period to help build this first cracker.
In addition, from the ethane cracker, not only do you get polyethylene, but you get other byproducts. Those also have a value, and we can use those other byproducts as a way of attracting other types of industries that need those raw materials into their manufacturing process.
It is probably the largest boost in manufacturing since World War II. And exciting time to be in America and be part of it.